everybody. Welcome back to this episode of Shop Time. Today I'm working on a brake assembly, or I'm sorry, a clutch assembly setup. This was a electric golf cart at one time, and now that we've put this 350 Warrior motor, Yamaha Warrior engine in there, 6-speed forward and 1 reverse gear, it needs a clutch pedal in it. So came up with this clever idea to put a clutch in it, so a clutch pedal in it. So I thought I'd show you guys today what I'm up to, what we did. So here I made this clutch bracket. It slides right next to the old brake